Hey y'all, this is how I make aloe vera juice for my hair or my locks. And I make sure to cut the aloe vera into pieces. That's just how I like to do it. And I soak it overnight. The reason I soak it overnight is because aloe vera has latex or a poisonous or toxic substance. It appears yellow, and when you cut it, it will drip. That is not what you want. You just want the clear, watery substance. So do make sure that y'all soak your aloe vera before you go ahead and extract the juice so you don't get none of that. Aloe vera juice encourages thicker, stronger, and healthier hair, which is why I use it. I love the benefits. It is also really good for your scalp. Many people know it to be good for irritants or itchiness or dry skin. So that is why I like to use aloe vera. I like to get all of those good benefits. Aloe vera has been a staple in my hair care regimen because it helps strengthen the hair follicle. It contains vitamin A, B12, vitamin C, and E. So all of these things help promote healthy hair growth. Be very careful while you're dealing with the aloe vera plant because it is quite slippery, and the knife, the way it's gliding, it could make it very easy to cut yourself. So just be very careful while you're dealing with the plant. So this is my last piece here, and I am ready to go ahead and put it in my blender and get to blending. So as you can see, it's going to turn into a nice watery type consistency, and I didn't add any water to this. This is just what it looks like. And right when I'm done, I got a cheesecloth in a bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and take the aloe vera, and I am going to now dump it into the bowl. And this is going to go ahead and begin my filtering process. And the reason why I'm doing this with the cheesecloth is to ensure that I don't get any white flakes in my hair. I don't want any of that gel-like substance in my hair, because when it dries in your hair, let me tell you, it is something to try to get it out. So do use something like a cheesecloth to make sure that you do not get any of that particle in your hair. This is only going to leave you with aloe vera juice, or it's going to be like that water-like substance. That's all that you want. You don't want chunks of anything in that bowl or going into your hair. So all that you want to do is make sure you're squeezing out all of that aloe vera juice, and that's all that goodness that you want to be able to put into your hair or your locks. And you squeeze it until you are satisfied with how much juice is in the bowl. I'm about to the point where I'm about satisfied here, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop. But I want to show you guys what it looks like if you do not do this. When you open it up, this is what you will see, and this is what you don't want in your hair. This is why I use the cheesecloth. So this is what I'm avoiding. My cheesecloth ain't let me down yet, so yes. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna use some tea tree oil here because I think that aloe vera kind of has a musty smell, but that's just my thoughts. And then I'm gonna get this filter and an old recycled bottle because I'm cheap. Then I am going to literally just pour this into my filter and into that old recycled bottle that I used to use for something else. And I'm going to repurpose it, and I'm going to use it for my aloe vera. And then I'm done, y'all. That is it. That's how you do it. Real simple, real quick.